here in the Rio Grande Valley, just to the west of Frau Cristobal, and we want to take a look at that real quick. We're catching beautiful sun in the afternoon. This section of the Rio Grande is called the Narrows, and the reason it's called the Narrows is because the Rio Grande River has cut almost straight down through a sequence of basalt lavas and softer rocks underneath it. In fact, if you look behind me, over here there's a small crater. It's not very clear because the sun's not on it, but there's a small volcanic crater there, and it's broached, or the crater wall has a hole approaching this direction towards the Rio Grande Valley. At some point in the past, that volcano, and perhaps others, erupted in this area and created this whole series of dark basalt lavas that you see capping the white rock. This formed a very resistant layer, and once it was broached, once the river cut down through that basalt, it just went like a buzzsaw down through the easier and softer rocks. So this has constrained the river into a very narrow area. It can't erode over there, it can't erode back there towards the mountain. It's got to come here in the lowest part of the valley. When it does, it cuts straight down, and it's formed this beautiful little section called the Narrows. You can see we're literally a good 200 to 300 feet of elevation difference here between the areas where I'm sitting on these rocks and the river bottom down there below us. And it really is beautiful. Now, whether the battalion actually came right up through the river valley, or whether they got up here on the basalt lavas and traveled across this area, I think that's something to debate, but quite likely they're down there in the Narrows, which I find really amazing. They don't really talk about it very much, except that they went through this narrow canyon.